Hello, you're watching the introductory training video for eLumen Student Services and Learning Communities Learning Support Outcomes, or LSOs, assessments. You'll see on the screen before you the homepage for the Los Medanos College website. I'm going to show you how to navigate to the Student Services and Learning Communities LSO assessment webpage. To do this, click on the A through Z topics. Click A for assessment. Go to Assessment of Programs link. Then you'll see the page before you appear. Click on the second drop-down, Program Assessments. Click on the second link, Student Services Learning Support Outcomes. And this will take you to the Student Services Learning Support Outcomes assessment webpage. You can also access it via the direct link at the top of the page that is highlighted for you for reference. On this webpage, you'll be able to find the link to access eLumen, the guide, which will correspond with what you're seeing in the training videos, and each of the training videos have been divided up for you. Also, there are additional documents and resources, such as the Word document of the reporting template, which can be used to report on or draft your LSO assessments before entering them into eLumen. There's also the guiding principles. You will need to have this handy with you when completing your assessment in eLumen, as you will be aligning your LSOs with the appropriate student service guiding principle, and then the document that lays out the LSO assessment annual cycle. So now we're ready to access eLumen. To do this, you want to click on the first link here. Once you click on it, it may prompt you to enter in your Insight user credentials. Please do so accordingly. Once you do so, you'll be navigated to this page. Please ensure that the role that you are entered is Department Coordinator and that you select the appropriate student service or learning community that you will be completing this LSO assessment reporting for. For the purpose of this training video, I will be using the counseling office. Ensure you click on Strategic Planning, then click on Initiatives. Then, using the drop-down, click on General. And at the bottom of your screen, you will see a number of links. Make sure you click on the link that's titled Student Services or Learning Communities LSO Annual Assessment Reporting, and it has identified your appropriate program or unit. Click on the link and not the checkbox to access the template. If you click on the checkbox, you will not be able to go anywhere. So again, please be sure you click on the link to open up the template. Now before you, you see the eLumen LSO Annual Assessment Reporting template. Using the scroll bar, scroll down, and I'm going to highlight a few features. First, save all as draft. Anytime you make any changes to your assessment reporting, you want to make sure you click Save All as Draft. Publish, do not worry about publishing. That will be done by your LSO reviewer and or department head after the review and approval process has been completed in the late summer months. Using the scroll bar on the right-hand side, you'll see the sections. I do want to lift up that we have provided the questions to report on up to 4 LSO assessments. So you will see each of these repeated 4 times. It does not mean in an annual cycle that you need to complete 4 LSOs, merely that if you have 4 LSOs that you are reporting on in an annual cycle, there is room to report on each one individually. So as you see here, these are the questions for learning support outcome number 1. And then if you scroll down, you'll see the questions repeated again for LSO number 2, number 3, and number 4. So as you can see, you do not need to do 4 LSOs in an annual cycle, but some programs or units do, so we've provided that opportunity to do that. So in order to see how to complete the first section of LSOs, please watch the next training video, which provides you information on items number 1 and 2 of learning support outcomes. Thank you and have a great day.